Hello.
Hello.
My name is Alex. What's your name?
My name is Ivy.
Good. How old are you?
I'm 5.
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
Perfect. Let's get started, Ivy. Ivy, what animal do you see?
He's a dog.
Good. What does it say?
Look, look.
Perfect. What animal is it? Ivy.
He's a pig.
Good. What does it say?
Wait, wait, wait.
Excellent. What animal is it?
He's a cat.
Great. And what does it say?
Meow.
Good. Ivy, what animal is it?
He's a dog.
And what does it say?
Red.
Bravo. Okay, what animal is it?
He's a dog.
And what does it say?
Quack, quack.
Perfect. Ivy, what animal is it?
He's a rabbit.
Good. What does it do?
Jump, jump.
Good. Ivy, what animal is it?
He's a ruler.
Good. What does it say?
Oh,
Good. Ivy, what animal is it?
he's a cow.
What does it say?
No,
Excellent. Ivy, what animal is it?
he's a horse.
Good. What does it say?
Yay.
Well done. Ivy, what animal is it?
He's a hen.
Perfect. And what does it say?
Oh,
Good. Ivy, what color is the sheep?
he's white.
Great. And what color is the cat?
He's black.
Perfect. What color is the cow?
He's white.
Excellent. What color is the pig?
He's pink.
Great. And what color is the horse?
He's brown.
Good. And what color is the duck?
He's white.
Good job. Okay. Ivy, how many dogs do you see?
I see 3 dogs.
Excellent. How many pigs do you see?
I see 5 pigs.
Good. How many cows do you see?
I see 1 cow.
That's right. How many roosters do you see?
I see 1 butcher.
Perfect. How many horses do you see?
I see 2 horses.
Good. And how many ducks do you see?
I see 4 dogs.
Excellent. My congratulations. Boom. Good job, Ivy. Thank you.